Hello people, it's your girl Ngala TV. Thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate. God bless you all. All my whole subscriber, I thank you all so much. My new subscriber, I really thank you all so much. Here is Garden Egg sauce, guys. If you want to know how I prepare this Garden Egg sauce, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Ngala TV. Like my video, share and leave your comment, guys. This is very yummy and delicious. Another form to prepare garlic egg sauce, guys. Very yummy and delicious. Stay tuned, guys. Bye. Hello people, good day to you all. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ngolove TV. Thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate. God bless you all. For my old subscriber, God bless you all. For my new subscriber, I really appreciate. God bless you all. So guys, today I'm going to be preparing garlic egg sauce. This garlic hair sauce that I'm going to be preparing, I'm going to use it to eat white rice, guys. I'm going to be preparing it in another form, guys, that you guys are going to be watching right now. So yeah, the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare it, guys. Here I have my red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Here I have my mushroom, scotch bonnet pepper. Here I have my beef. I'm going to defrost it now, guys. I will be defrosting it now. Here I have the garlic egg, guys. Fresh spinach, strong chicken. Here I have my fish. So here I have my fish, guys. Here I have my dry fish, onions, garlic, ginger, season cube, salt, and olive oil. So guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare it today. That is the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare my garlic egg today, guys. First, that garlic egg, I'm going to peel it and blend it. I'm not going to boil it. I'm going to be peeling the garlic egg, blend it. So let's start, guys. You guys will be seeing everything, guys. Stay tuned. Let's start, guys. So guys, let's start boiling the meat. First, I will be adding my curry powder, thyme, olive, onions, I'll be adding one scotch bonnet pepper, guys. I will be adding my chicken seasoning, guys. Little bit of salt, little bit of water, so guys, I'm going to be covering it so that it will steam very well before I will turn it. So guys, as I said earlier, so here are the garlic egg. So I've already peeled it, wash it, guys. So I'm going to start blending it now. So I will be blending it with red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onions. I'm going to be blending everything together, guys. So I will be taking you guys along with me. Stay tuned, guys. Let's start. So guys, here is it. I have everything inside this blender. I'm going to start blending it, guys. So after blending it, I will be putting it inside this filter here. So guys, stay tuned. Let's start. So guys, let's check the meat. Okay. So inside this pot I have beef and chicken. So guys, I'm going to leave it for more 5 minutes so that the strong chicken will done very well, guys. I will be back. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the finished look of the blender and the egg. So look at the water that is coming out of it. I'm not going to use the water. I'm going to throw it away, guys. So this is it. So here I have my blender, pepper and onions, because I didn't blend it with the garlic hair, guys. I blend this separate. So here is it. So let's start preparing it. So guys, let's check the meat one more time. Yeah. So guys, the meat have already done. I'm going to take it down now. So guys, let's start preparing the garlic egg sauce, guys. Sorry guys. So let's start it now. So guys, I will be adding the blended garlic egg, guys. So guys, I will be adding the blended pepper and onions. Stir everything together. So guys, I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes. So guys, let's check it. Yeah. So guys, I will be adding my mushroom. Yeah. Then the dry fish, I've washed it. Seasoning cube. Little bit of salt. Stir everything together. I'm going to cover it for just 2 minutes, guys. I'll be back. So guys, let's check it. sorry guys, I forgot to show you guys before. I will be adding a little bit of crayfish. I've already blended before. Then I will be adding my fried meat with the fish. So guys, I will be adding the spinach now guys. I've sliced it and I've washed it too. I'm going to leave it like this. Just a few minutes. I'll be back guys. So guys, let's check it. So guys, our garlic egg sauce is ready. This is the finished look guys. It's ready. Very yummy and delicious guys. Another way or another form to prepare garlic egg sauce. This is it guys. Very yummy. So yummy. So it's done guys. I'm going to take it off from the gas now guys. Hello people, I'm back again guys. Here is the finished look of our garlic egg sauce with white rice guys. Here I have my glass of juice. So guys, this recipe is very yummy and delicious. Please try it out guys. You are going to love it. Try it out. You are going to love it guys. Very yummy and delicious. White rice with garlic egg sauce. Yummy guys. Thank you all so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Ngolove TV. Like my video, share and leave your comment guys. See you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.